the right question from the right people. I cannot just ask any person a question. It has to be the resource that's got the best possible information. All right? So that's another message. Ask the right question from the right people and you will get the right answer. So let's see what I mean by that. So basically you have to do a stakeholder analysis. You have to ask yourself, who are the people involved in the situation? If it's a decision you have to take, who are the decision makers? Who are the influencers? And who are the implementers? Influencers such as third-party people like Microsoft or whoever you're working with that's actually licensed you to do certain things. All right? And implementers are normally the subordinates. I'll tell you a story. In Chile, there's a big copper mine. And a major project of revitalizing this copper mine with brand new equipment. So the mine manager and mine engineer went out and bought brand new Webco trucks. These are these big things you see that they show always on television from China, where they actually carry all these ore out of an open pit right to the top into a refinery, and the wheels are the size of 2 people put together. So this mining manager got everybody together, all the technicians, everyone else in the mine, and said to them, by the way, we just bought these new trucks, and it's the E23 Webco truck, and it's going to really improve our productivity by 20%. And everybody seems to be happy, except one little guy stood up and said, sir, he said, yes. He said, I know that truck. That truck can't go for more than 20 minutes at a 15% gradient. Then the electric wheels will burn out. And if we want to do this in our organization, they're going to have to go at 17% gradient, and they have to go for 25 minutes. It's not going to reach the top. And there was a silence, a deadly silence. Because the implementers were never consolidated and collaborated with. They were never being talked to. They never asked for the inputs. Therefore, it's so important that you identify what information do you know? Okay? What do you know? What don't you know? Now, we have managers out there. As a project manager, I've been dealing with this so many times. You go to a manager and you want to do certain things. He says, yeah, no problem. We're going to do the following. I said, but is that all information we need? Yeah, I'm the expert. I know. There's no ways that if you are a manager that came through the ranks and you have 5 divisions, that you could be an expert in all 5 divisions. We have to get managers to agree from the outset they don't know all the information. A project team has to really decide for themselves and say to themselves, we don't have all information. Therefore, we're going to have to collaborate with somebody. We're going to have to get information. So once we've done that, who has the information? Let's identify that information source. It might be a technical guy putting up his hand, knowing something about Webco trucks. Okay? And of course, how will you obtain the missing information? Okay? How will you obtain the missing information?